on to some breaking news that we're tracking here on Mirror now. PFI, or the Popular Front of India, has moved the Supreme Court against Centre's ban. Now, the Unlawful Activities Tribunal had placed a ban on PFI in September 2022 as the Home Ministry, in a Gazette notification, had declared the PFI as an unlawful association, along with its associates or affiliates or fronts, including the Rehab India Foundation. Campus Front of India Tribunal had said that PFI and its 7 affiliates wanted to establish a caliphate rule in India by 2047. This is, of course, the tribunal that was constituted under the UAPA Act. I will quickly go across to my colleague Harish live with us. Harish, appreciate you joining us on the broadcast. Now, this is a big move. Supreme Court is expected to hear the PFI appeal against the ban that was imposed by the Home Ministry in a Gazette notification in 2022.
Yes, that's right. The Popular Front of India, the PFI, has moved the Supreme Court against the ban by the centre, and it has also challenged the upholding of the ban by the UAPA Tribunal. Supreme Court is likely to hear the petition today, and it is listed before a bench of Justice Aniruddha Bose. PFI has moved Supreme Court against the centre's ban on unlawful activities. Tribunal had in March this year upheld the ban imposed by the Ministry of Home Affairs in September 2022. The MHA, in a Gazette notification, declared the PFI as an unlawful association along with its associates and or affiliates or fronts, including Rehab India Foundation, Campus Front of India. The tribunal had said PFI and its seven affiliates wanted to establish caliphate rule in India by 2047. Tribunal constituted under the UAPA has held that the ban on the organization, it upheld the ban on the organization imposed by MHA, holding that the evidence produced against the organization was credible and trustworthy. The tribunal agreed with the centre's submission that PFI wanted to turn India into an Islamic state and carried out political murders of well-placed people in the Hindu community in the country. And in the 285-page report, the tribunal also agreed with the centre's submission that even though these organizations have a laudable purpose on paper, they are indulging into activities, illegal activities, which are against the integrity and sovereignty of the country. So all eyes on the Supreme Court. We will have to wait and watch what kind of order the bench will pass today. Most likely, the notice will go to the centre, and centre will be asked to justify the ban. And it's expected that a detailed hearing will take place later in the month. Back to you.
Right, Harish, all eyes on the Supreme Court indeed, and we will come back to you for more details as soon as we hear more on what the Supreme Court verdict entails.